separate the hair so that you get increased volume. So that's what I'm doing right now. Lock and Love Serum. This is just simply just to give you shine, help promote growth, help treat the hair, and it's just filled with a lot of natural oils that's going to keep it moisturized. So that's just going to lock that moisture in there. Last step is to apply the Passion Courage Jelly Pudding. So you don't know, it's up to you how you want to apply it. I generally just run it through like so, and I just work my way down to the bottom so that I hit every strand. And I generally don't take like little small pieces, you know. I just generally just take it and just run my fingers through it because I'm just trying to lock it in. So that's basically what I do, and it's going to seal it, and it's going to just set the curls in place. And it's soft. It's not going to make your hair like hard. It's just like a soft gel, but it's a pudding. So you just apply that, and it has honey in it, has aloe vera in it, marshmallow root, which the marshmallow root is going to give you like a slip effect because that's like a natural conditioning property. So that's what I'm doing. So now once I set my hair the way I want, I'm going to go back at the top and I'm going to just lay it down. Easy, simple, natural style, on the go. And like I said, once you do your braid out at night, what I do generally at night is just re-braid it, and I'll apply the cream, braid it into like maybe 6-7 sections. Just remember, the smaller the braid, you're gonna get more of a curly effect. The looser, you're gonna get more of a wavy effect. So my hair has a curly wavy effect because I use like maybe 7-8 braids, but my hair is super thick, so I have to take more sections so that it will last longer. So that's generally it. And then once you take it down the next morning, you're going to go and follow the same steps I just showed you. And that's going to keep your hair managed, and it's going to keep it from breaking, and it's going to keep it moisturizing. And that is what we want to do, keep it moistful and to keep it, you know, maintained throughout the week. So that's it, guys. That's my secrets on how I, you know, style and treat my natural hair. So thank you for watching. Bye.